Alright guys, it's the video follow-up. It's Josh, Creation Dust sawing in the background. I'm listening to him, watching him, commenting. Anyway, what I made out of the pile. Ta-da! Made a little footstool. It's pretty cool. Make it. I like it. Sandy gets it, of course. The first one. I might make some of these, try to sell them. Pretty easy to make. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. Good, bad, in between. Throw it in the trash, throw it in the fire. Let me know. Like and subscribe, please.